So in this video we are going to try to make the Duck Soba. It calls for 3 cups of dashi, so what we're going to do, we're going to make the dashi first. Let's get started. To make the dashi first you need 8 cups of water, and we have to bring it to a simmer. So the water is barely simmering. We're going to turn off the stove and we're going to add our kombu. We're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. We'll set a timer. Five minutes is up. We are going to put 4 cups of bonito flakes and we're going to let it sit for another 15 minutes. Then we're going to strain it. 15 minutes is up. We're just going to strain our dashi. Next, we're going to make our seasoned spinach. We have a pot of salted water. We're going to blanch the spinach first. We're going to strain our spinach. Run it under cold water. And then ice bath. Once the spinach is cool, we're going to squeeze out all the excess water. We're going to marinate the spinach with dashi, soy, and mirin. We'll put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So now, with a sharp knife, we're going to score the duck diagonally every 1/4 inch. Flip it around and then score diagonal again. Okay, to do the duck, we need a 1/4 cup of water and then duck the skin side down. We're gonna flip the duck and cook on the other side for a little bit. Now again, we got the wrong duck, so it doesn't really matter at this point, and we're not really following his recipe for this part. But it'll still be delicious, I hope.
That's a new title of this cooking series. Still delicious, we hope. Action.
Megan's back with us now. We're going to remove our duck. Let's strain away the fat. Apply for dark treats later on. And we're going to add our scallions in. Look at this color. Look at this chart. We'll take these off and set them aside. To make the broth, we're going to add 3 cups of dashi that we made. Three tablespoons of soy sauce plus 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of mirin. Soba time.
Soba time.
We're gonna cook these to 4 to 5 minutes.
4 inches.
What did you say?
4 inches should be good for those.
4 minutes it is. After 4 minutes, we strain, and then we're gonna cut our duck. We're gonna put everything together. We're gonna have some nice lunch. We're gonna slice our duck on a bias. Preferably with a sharper knife next time. Looks like barbecue pork. Soba. A duck that somebody didn't cut properly. Green onions. Seasoned spinach. And then our broth.
The moment of truth.
Thoughts? Concerns?
Pretty tasty. I don't know if we would drink all the broth. I think it would get a little bit salty. But everything's pretty tasty. And I think it's pretty easy to do, so that's good. Yeah. Do it again. Moment of truth.
Action?
Action.
Okay, it smells good to Queenie, and I think I like the whole concept of everything. We'll definitely try it again and get a proper duck breast.
Yeah, anything else?
That's it.
Let's see. Okay. Good.
Watch it dance. I can do a better job this time since last time I didn't yell at me. And there's also a plot twist because this duck is smoked and cooked already. We'll still try to follow the similar directions. Look at that. That's for the gram.